What I wish I knew when exploring new AIs: there's actually a fun and easy way to discover, compare, and use the latest artificial intelligence tools, all while helping shape the future of the field. Everybody is looking for the next big thing in AI, but most people don't realize you can actually get involved and make a difference, while having fun. Let's get started. Yupp is a brand new social AI platform where you can explore the latest AIs, compare their features, and even earn rewards for your interactions. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Go to the Yupp website and log in with your Google account. Step 2. Start chatting with different AIs, compare their answers, and pick your favorites. Every interaction helps improve the technology and earns you points. Remember, 1,000 points equals $1, and once you hit 5,000 points, you can cash out. Just open your profile at the bottom left, tap Cash Out, and choose how you want to get paid. You can withdraw once every 24 hours, and there's an airdrop coming too, so those points could become even more valuable. So start exploring, comparing, and earning every day. Help shape the future of AI and stack up your rewards. Thanks for watching. For more side hustle tips, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Task Trekker. And don't forget, sign up now at